Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. In this video, we will show you how to use some more basic functions, the round, int, and max functions, and of course, how to apply them to your dataset. The round function rounds a number to a specified number of digits. To round the average GDP per capita for 2002, you need to have two argument inputs. First is the number you need to round. The second input is the amount of decimal places you want to round to. Type equal, round, open bracket, then highlight 2002's GDP per capita value, then the number of digits you want to round to. In this case, we chose 0. And finally, close the bracket. The integer function, or int function, rounds a number down to the nearest integer. To remove the decimal portion of a number, simply type equal, int, then highlight the cell that needs to be rounded. The int function will transform the number into an integer. The max function returns the largest value in a set of values. To find the highest value of individual items from a list, we can simply type equal, max, and highlight the range of cells, then price, and finally return to get the answer. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.